Make money from your drone images. It's not impossible and you can actually do quite well out of it. Let's have a look. Cue the music. Hi everyone, Stephen here from the Flyby Guys. How are you all doing today? There's a way that you can make money from your drone images by not doing very much. Now, before we get into this, please make sure that you subscribe to the channel, hit a like, and that will do us a lot of good indeed. Okay, so let's get into it. Shutterstock is a great service where you can upload all your images, tag them properly, and sit back and make money from them. It sounds too good to be true, doesn't it? But it actually works. I uploaded a couple of pictures and they've been getting downloaded and I'm making money from them. So I'm going to start using it a lot more because I've got hundreds and hundreds of images. So it's about time maybe you should do the same. Let's have a look. This is Shutterstock.com, and this is where you find the collection of all the images all over the world. So it just depends how you tag them. So these are basic Shutterstock images of Helsinki. This is where I live. And you can choose different kinds of tags here and you'll find different types of images. So these are the sort of basic images that everyone kind of sees Helsinki for. But I don't like to choose these kind of images. I don't take these kind of images. I choose other ones with this, which are a bit different. So this is what I've been doing. So Helsinki heart. And you'll find my image down here, and it's this small pond. Well, it's not a small pond, it's a large pond. It's not a lake, it's a pond. And this is my image, and this is the most popular image that I have sold recently. Not only on Shutterstock, but also when I have my galleries as well. So this is the most popular one. So I've left a link in the description below. You can click on that and that will take you to sign up, and I will also benefit from that as well as you when you do the same. So please check out that and get yourself signed up and start selling your images. So that's it. It's really simple. I've left a link below for referral. Use that link and it will benefit you and myself as well. And you can start by uploading your pictures. Just one tip, make sure that you tag those pictures in English. Don't use any foreign languages because you might get them rejected. So it's a good way to start. Okay, good luck. Let me know how you got on. I'm really interested to hear how much money that you all make, and let's see if we can have a competition going here. Okay, and until the next time, fly safe.